Maybe 10:20 before 6 o'clock and there are already cars showing up. We actually passed this bad boy Viper on the way over here. So as you can see, we actually showed up before the gates are even open. So I guess I'll see you guys inside. Hi guys, we just arrived inside Cars and Coffee. Of course, you know the parking lot is still a little empty, but let's have a look around. So as you can see now, we have a long line of Corvettes. I think this is the Lone Star Corvette crew or something like that. Woo! I think this is that Eleanor that we saw last time. This thing is sick. It's nice to see it driving. Sounds amazing, color is nice, and as you can see we have the exhaust on the side there. This thing is so beautiful. Look at the wheels. I mean the interior. Last time we didn't get the interior too much, but oh, it's so beautiful. The front end, the hood, everything about this car is just, well at least for the Mustang guys. Y'all remember that Lotus from last time? This thing is absolutely beautiful. It was my favorite car out of the whole entire Cars and Coffee last time. The color was so beautiful. Man, these things look so much better in person. We have the Lamborghini Huracan. I believe this is Cars Please Huracan. Not really too sure, but this thing is sick. The McLaren next to the Lambo. Which one are you guys picking? And of course we have our man Tito, which is one of the organizers here for Cars and Coffee. If it wasn't for him and his crew, we wouldn't have this meet every month. And just so y'all know, they spend tons of money just to organize this whole thing. But I believe this is a super fast. Don't quote me. I'm not really, I'm not really knowledgeable on Ferraris, but this color, the wheel combination, and I've actually heard this car before, and this V12 is just a beautiful R8. I've never seen this color before, and this is probably one of my favorite colors in this car. Absolutely just badass. Loving all the carbon fiber accents right here on the splitter. I mean, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but look at that flaking. Carbon fiber rear view mirrors, this panel right here, and of course that naturally aspirated V10. Talk about arriving in style. We have the Lamborghini Urus, again in a beautiful blue color. Man, this trailer is baller. It's pretty cool because you can use it as a display with the lighting, of course. This trailer, yeah, super baller. We have the mini collection here. That is cool. These things are so small. I'm loving the fenders. Huh? Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, my son is taller than the car, and he's only 10. That's crazy. I think we've actually seen this car before, maybe our first time around here, but this thing is mint. Super well done. I love the wheel combo. Interior is super clean. Wood steering wheel. Absolutely well put together Mini Cooper. Actually, you know what? I stand corrected. Whatever this car is, it's dope. This is something you don't see every day, and this thing is pretty cool if you ask me. It's a Toyota, imported from Japan. Don't really know much about this truck, but super cool. And of course, we have the Viper. We actually ran into this on the way inside, and this thing is sick. Check it out. Let's see if you're taller than the Viper. Let's check it out. Let's see if you're taller than the Viper. Yep, taller than the Viper. That's 2 for 2. We have the Type R. Beautiful color, man. This thing is really, really nice. Super clean Evo right here. We have carbon fiber splitter, louver, and the wheel combination with the black color. Yes, sir. Beefy tires. Oh man, this thing is big. Alright, we're trying double A barbecue. This has brisket, beans, bacon, cheese. I put sauce on mine. He put barbecue on his. Let's give it a try. So, since I devoured my taco, I have to say that was a 9 out of 10. The brisket was so tender, so good, so flavorful. And the combinations, what more can you ask for? Beans, cheese, bacon, and brisket. It's not a meat if you don't have Texas-sized trucks. We have all Dodgers right here. This thing is freaking sick. Stars on the roof, LED everything, huge tires and wheel combination. It's on airbags, and check out that suspension. It seems that I have parked in the wrong spot again. We have all the Shelby Mustangs over here, really all the Mustangs on this line right here, but hey, I guess Haiti's the loner. I recognize that car. Mike Underwood. I didn't make the event, but he actually took this car out to the Texas Mile, I believe. That's why he has the stickers on there. I think this hit like 160 something. So yeah, he was out there putting in that work and representing for Terminator Cobras. A very nice 3000 GT. I almost bought a VR4 back in the day, and these cars are becoming more and more uncommon every year. Mitsubishi started producing these cars around the mid-late 1990s, and yeah, they were ahead of their time, especially in design. They're kind of, you know, crazy looking, but pretty cool. We have all the Mustangs rolling in. That thing is sick. I love the 4 eyes. That wheel combination is really nice, and you already know how I feel about the silver color. I believe this is Alex's old car, and don't bring me to tears now. A Grabber Green GT500, C8 Corvette, BMW, all the cars are starting to roll in now. Look at this beautiful Subaru. Look at that interior. Yeah, this thing is sick. The owner just told me that this car has been fully custom. We have, as you can see, it just has little hints and different stuff on here. We have a turbo scoop. Actually, I don't know which side the turbo is on, but we have different scoops on here. The mirrors, even this vent. I asked him about this vent on the quarter panel, and this is actually from a Porsche, and the wide body was done all by him, all custom, full custom interior, roll cage, and the dash is actually carbon fiber, and he did this all himself. I'm loving these gauges. We might have to get some gauges like this for the Cobra, but yeah, this thing is absolutely sick. These are the kind of builds that I appreciate because it's a one of one. It's all custom, all from the owner's idea, and this thing is absolutely, woo, I think that's a Panam, whatever. That thing is nice. We have to come over here and check this out because I saw this on the way in, and it's actually pretty rare that you see this. Beautiful F2K. Look at that wide body. Man, that thing is well put together. All right, so we have the first gen Lightning paired with the second gen Lightning, but let's focus on this one right here because you rarely see these trucks Superman interior. This I actually wanted one of these. They're appreciating right now. Before, back in the day, you used to go for like $7,000. Now these trucks are going anywhere from like $13,000 to $20,000. And this one right here is absolutely mint. Of course, we have the Lightning badging right here. And let's talk about the second gen Lightning. These are actually going for mid-20s and up. So these trucks are gonna appreciate, and they're gonna be, of course, collector items if they aren't already. We have a Shelby. Okay, well, just take all the attention then. We have a Shelby GT8. I'm not really knowledgeable on those cars right there, but they look pretty cool. I want to say something about this. If I were to get a GTR, it would have to be white or this blue color right here, because it's actually a very uncommon color. And I actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I actually don't know if that's even factory or not. But if it is, I would definitely consider that navy blue color right there, because that thing is real nice and classy. And I bet paired with the right wheels, you want to test to see if you're taller than the 240. Okay, let's check. Yep, so that's 3 for 3. We have a full line of Broncos and 3 Supras. One thing I didn't capture earlier on this car is that it's actually a VR4. And for those that don't know what a VR4 is, it's twin turbo. Actually, look. Twin turbo, baby. And like I was saying earlier, I almost bought one of these when I was like 16 years old. It's a twin turbo V6, and these things are actually pretty snappy. We saw this car last time we were here, but this time the hood is open. Ooh. And we have this chromed out Mustang. This is actually the same color as the Green Goblin, except this is in metallic instead of satin, and this thing looks really, really good. I believe the owner wrapped this thing himself. Hey man, this is the hardest one out here, man. I'm just saying, this is the hardest one out here, man. We saw this last time on the way over here. I'm loving this car because it has like blue wheels, it has the neon yellow kind of accents, and it just offsets the white very, very nicely. Dang, this thing is crazy, man. Look at this extended long bed, crazy looking wheels, man. That is a sick build. Yes, sir. I love the way hydraulics sound. Like, how can you not like the way hydraulics sound? Let's go out here real quick and check out the Rogues Vet C7 Corvette, because it's actually a pretty sick build. I think he's out there doing YouTube stuff, but let's check it out. I'm not really all sure what's done to this car, but obviously we have painted intake manifold cover, a beautiful splitter, black wheels, the side splitters as well, along with that beautiful spoiler. I think he also recently blacked out his taillights, and yeah, it's definitely a winner. Special goodie in here. This has the LT4 conversion, so this is actually supercharged, and this thing is sick. I bet it goes too. I think the owner said 600 to the wheels. Look what we have here, an all original DeLorean with the doors up, factory wheels, and it's for sale. Alright guys, I think that concludes our time over here at Cars and Coffee, because we have to go home. We're gonna finish that for today. One time for the one time. Let's hear what this MagnaFlow exhaust sounds like under a bridge. Alright guys, so we just arrived to the crib. Cars and coffee is always such a good experience, and that taco was really good. But anyways, we have our guy coming over here so we can finish the kitchen floor finally and start on the other wall that I decided to go ahead and do the exposed frame style. Matter of fact, let me show you guys. So basically, for those that have been keeping up with the house build, I was only able to do the floor up until this area because I was having trouble with that wall. My mom was the one who gave me the idea of this, and I absolutely love it. So I owe it all to her that this looks so amazing. Now we can continue finishing the floor all the way throughout the kitchen, and this is, I'm so excited to have the house feel like a home. So like I was saying, this is exposed framing, and I also decided to do that for this little quarter wall right here. So we're gonna do the exact same style. I'm gonna put 2 shelves right here. So yeah, we're gonna have something really nice right here, and it's coming along. So let's get to work. Alright guys, and just like that, the floor is done. I cannot be any more happier with how this turned out. It really opened up the space, made everything look a lot more cleaner, and I am, like I said, extremely happy, especially with the wall. And also, we went ahead and matched this wall with the exposed frame style. The original plan was to add 2 shelves, but I added white shelves on here just to kind of get a look, and I wasn't really feeling it too much. But I will remove that rail and add a new modern rail over here on this side. But yeah guys, this is coming out really good. But anyways guys, that's gonna end today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe, smash that like button to help support my channel. And remember, be motivated, stay driven.